Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the radiation of your area on the map on the Windy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the menu icon that you can see in the right side of the screen. That's the third option. After that, scroll down to the display on map section and tap on radiation. Go back to your map and select your area that you are interested in. After that, you are going to see a chart of this station, and here you can read about the radiation, measurement values, and also you can see the source here. So the source of this measurement, and get to know to this aspect if you are interested. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.